ACIOps is integrated with OpenAI to enable the creation of infrastructure configuration code using AI. This means we can create configurations using natural language, the same way humans communicate in everyday conversation, which will then be used to generate the configuration that can be pushed to the infrastructure. Before we proceed, there are a few prerequisites. We need to make sure we have an OpenAI key and specify the model we intend to use. There are multiple types of models that OpenAI currently supports. For the best results, we recommend using the GPT-4 model or higher. We also need to create an API key that will be used to access this model. You will be required to create an OpenAI account to obtain the API key. Once you have both, you can add them to ACIOps. Navigate to Systems, select AI from the drop-down, and click on the Add OpenAI Parameters button. Currently, I have mine set up and can proceed with using AI config. Click on the AI config button. This will open the AI configuration generator dialog. The first thing we need to do is specify which objects we want to create. For example, if I would like to create a tenant, I'll select Tenant from the resources, and in the prompt, I'll provide a simple description of how I want my tenant to look. In this example, I'm going to create a tenant and an application profile. In the prompt, I will write instructions for what needs to be created. Then, I'll go ahead and generate the configuration. From the output, it has created the tenant resource and the application profile resource. The names are correct, and it has accurately established the association between the tenant and the application profile. I can add additional prompts if I need to add more details or modify the existing configuration. I will make a modification to the name of the application profile and then update the prompt. I will go ahead and delete a few of the default parameters that were generated and modify the description manually before proceeding to submit the config as a change. After the config has been saved, I will preview it, plan the config to see what changes will be made to the infrastructure, approve the change, and then apply it. The change has been applied to the infrastructure. If I inspect the controller, I can see that a tenant named OpenAI tenant has been created. along with the application profile within the tenant.